I just blew up my Blackstar Fly because I plugged a 9-volt transformer into it instead of the 6.5, which I should have. So I've got it apart here, and I was about ready to just give it up because it's all surface mount. And I pulled this glue away previously, so it's loose, but in this back, and look, there it is, F1. So that's a fuse, and that looks like it's right across the power line coming in. Maybe I'll get lucky. Let's do a continuity test across that fuse. Nothing. That's a good sign. So maybe the fuse is blown. That fuse is so tiny, obviously I don't have a replacement. I think I'm just going to bridge it. Yeah, the fuse is just falling out. Trying to get a bead on it. Doesn't want to seem to take. Yeah, there's two little solder pads there, so if I can get a tiny piece of wire laying across there, get it soldered in place, if that was the problem, that should cure it. Alright, I got my wire laid in there. I got a battery rolling off the table. Push it down a little bit, and hopefully I can tack that baby in there. We'll see if we got something. Alright. That ought to do it. There it is. Yeah, there she is. So I'll cut the excess off and we'll see if we can fire it up. Power supply's plugged in. So will we have a pilot light? Here we go. Oh yeah, it looks like she's gonna live. Well, as I was putting everything back together, yeah, looks like the cable came out a little bit there. So I'm going to have to fix that now. Oh man. My hands are too shaky for this kind of work. Jesus Christ. There we go. Alright, so far so good. We're 50% of the way. I can see why they glued these things. Okay, all 4 wires are in place. Man, that was tough, especially with my shaky hands. Well, it's all back together again. All's well that ends well. Don't be stupid like me and plug a 9-volt power supply into the back of your Blackstar.